In this video, we are going to talk about the division algorithm for polynomial for 10th standard. In case of polynomial, if you want to divide two polynomials that is given, we have to use the division algorithm. And from the Euclid's division algorithm, we understood that A is equals to BQ plus R. Whereas A is nothing but the division, B is the divisor and Q is a quotient. R is nothing but the remainder of that division. Now there is very basic formula we can use for calculations also and for polynomials also. That is nothing but dividend is equals to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Now the same formula is applicable for polynomials also. Before starting the division, let's understand some important points related to division of polynomials. So first point, quotient is always be an integer. Whatever will be the quotient, that must be an integer, positive or negative number. Second important point, remainder always be either equal to or greater than 0 or less than the divisor. See, remainder is always be equal to 0. If that is not equal to 0, then in that case the remainder is less than the divisor. Whatever number we are using for as a divisor, the remainder is always smaller than that. Third important point, equation can also be expressed in this way. See, if f of x upon g of x means f of x is the polynomial and we have to divide that polynomial by g of x is another polynomial, then we can write it as a f of x upon g of x is equals to q of x plus r of x upon g of x. What does it mean by r of x? R of x is nothing but the remainder of that polynomial and q of x is nothing but the quotient of this polynomial. Hope you understand these 3 points. If you understand these 3 points, you are able to do any kind of polynomials division. Thank you so much for watching.